Welcome to Bombala Rising, hosted by that OT Nkwanda Lukele, Tweezy the Entertainer.
Keep on watching Bombala Rising!
Hola bafethu, this is Try to Entertainer number 1 kasi MC Mr. Shaibu Chulu. Welcome to Shazza Lifestyle, the people's venue bafethu. Sanpinda futhi, this is Bombala Rising, episode number 3. Today bafethu, we're hosting the Freshers Board, TV Freshers Board, Kona like Shazza Lifestyle. Today we'll be having Shebe Sheet, we'll be having Tato Heart and Tracy. They are going to be giving us a blazing hot performance. Stay tuned bafethu. Today, Siyasha, Khalif Katulu, Ganyiwa, Asambeni.
Ay abalali bathandumna. Ay abalali
Wala bafethu saphinde sabuya futhi. Ngiphethe igroup leshisayo bafethu, le group leni yashisa. Athi mina ngaba introduce bona bathi introduce abachaza ukuthi ngibobani baphuma kuphi badume ngani. Wala bafethu kambani?
Shosho mfethu, it's your boy Crazy M, ninjani bafethu?
Siyaphila, ngiyathemba sonke siyaphila emakhaya, nani nababona baphila. So bafethu ngicela ukuthi nithi introduce nitisho ukuthi yini bobani niphuma kuphi nidume ngani.
Njengoba ngishite ekuqaleni igama lami ngi-Crazy M, ngiphuma khona la ePinari kaDantshi. Ngomeni.
Okay but siyabonga. So ngikubona uhamba negroup la. Can you tell us more about the group yenu ukuthi yini igama le group yenu? What kind of music do you guys make?
Oh, igama le group yethu is We Are One Music. So thina sibhizi ngemapiano, hip hop and afro pop sehlanganisa nje mfethu. Uyathi Spanish.
Yeah, Spanish bafethu qhubekani niphushe, ngiyibonile performance yenu namuhla. It was nga. So mina ngifuna kuva kini ukuthi how did you feel about the crowd today? Performance le crowd lengaka and all the enjoyment.
Sijabulile mfethu. We are always looking forward ukuthi nathi contribute and talent lethu emphakathini. You know mfethu kuningi lokwendekako, so nathi we trying to show ukuthi bantu ukuthi there's another way longa khona ukuthi wende something ngayo empilweni, yabona. Dali balekele nje i-crime and stuff. Yeah.
Okay bafethu basibona We Are One group music. We Are One music. Bayi group bafethu ngicela ukuthi sibasupporteni. Show bafethu mina ngifuna kwakho ukuthi abantu bafuna kunibhuka, bafuna kunithola ukuthi bafuna nani into baperformela. Banithola kuphi? Ma social handles enu uthi number 10 thini?
Ngabanika ngami 0792624004. So email is motaandcrazym@gmail.com. So lo crazy CRAZE M. Yeah.
Okay.
Laba abantu banokuphambanisa lokho bafaka lo ZY. Yeah.
Okay, siyabonga bafethu nithi vele nami from the horse's mouth. Bathi shito basibona We Are One group music bafethu ngicela ukuthi sibasupporteni, asiphinde nihlanganeni futhi. There are a lot of performances bafethu. Danko.
Keep on watching Bombala Rising!
abalali bathandumna. Sakrufa. Ay abalali bathandumna.
Yo, it's a boss to Mr. One Time, the whole time situation. Izolo kusasana namhlanje, you know the story. We out share live at Shazza Lifestyle. Yenzeka izinto. It's the TV Freshers Ball. It's happening. It's all out share. We're having Tato Heart and Tracy. We're having Shebe Sheet later on the performance. So we're vibing, we're waving, we're in it. They found us. We're within. You know the story. It's the whole time situation. Let's get to it. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Hey guys, keep on watching Bombala Rising!
Hola bafethu, it's me your boy once again, Trust the Entertainer number 1 kasi MC Mr. Shaibu Chulu. Sikhona la Shazza Lifestyle. I'm with DJ Stunkero bafethu. Asi mina ngamthuli, nginiketele opportunity ukuthi yena atithula atichaze ukuthi ungubani, udume ngani. Bhuti omkhulu kunjani?
Subscribe kamba.
Ngiyaphila bhuti omkhulu. Ngicela ukuthi utshele ama viewers ethu ekhaya ukuthi wena ungubani, uphumaphi, udume ngani.
DJ Stunkero Dumsani Hunene from Gabogwena Ngojeni.
Oh siyabonga nithi vele nani bafethu uthi thulile uthi chazile. So DJ Stunkero ngiyakubona namuhla ukhona eShabza Lifestyle uthi to supporter one of our events iTVET Freshers Ball. So I want to ask you ukuthi udiva njani namuhla njengoba ula?
It's nice phuma nje listening to youngsters playing get a chance to understand ukuthi the new generation baphetheni in terms of the entertainment.
Okay, ngiyajabula kuva lokho like ngiyabona ukuthi nawe uhappy ujabulile netimali ngiyazibona ukuthi hayi usivakashele la ekhaya eShabza Lifestyle usekuto support. Mina ngisaza kubonga kubona wena one of our greatest DJs lokhona la eMpumalanga esekuto sivakashela support. So I want to know ukuthi wena i-message yakho to everyone, the young DJs, upcoming DJs emakhaya ufuna kuthini kubo?
It's their time, they must go for it. Whatever ideas they have, they must try it out. If it fails, try again. It's their time.
Siyabonga DJ Stunkero. Nithi vele nani bafethu from the Hot Smart. This is Twice the Entertainer, DJ Stunkero khona la ekhaya eShabza Lifestyle, the people's venue. I-Freshers Ball today. TVET Freshers Ball bafethu. Catch us futhi bafethu with more and more and more and more interviews with the greatest. Ngakhoda namhla siphethe Shebe Chic, siphethe Thato Hati and Tracy. Izo asambe. We are one music, keep on watching Mbombela Rising.
Danko.
Ay abalali 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 bathandumna sakrufala 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 sakrufa ay abalali 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 bathandumna sachaifala 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 sachaifa ay abalali 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 bathandumna sakrufala 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 sakrufa ay abalali 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 bathandumna